I'm going to go over this cordless electric scissor kit. What it is, it's a little small set of scissors that's basically like a roller type that was great for cutting cardboard, fabric, or anything like that. And let me just kind of like go over some of this thing. It's got a 2,600 milliamp battery in it. It's 300 RPM speed. It's a quarter inch. It can cut up to a 1/4 inch max. It's got a little LED light on it, self-sharpening. You know what? Safety mechanism on it. That's enough about that. Let's just open it up and see what we get in there. There's the box. Nice little kind of carrying case to it. I already took this thing out and cut up some boxes and tested it out, and I liked it. I think it worked great. So let's go ahead. Let's see what you get. You know what? A little piece of, you get a spare blade. So you do get a spare blade with it. A USB-C charging cable, so it's an A to C charging cable, and a little set of instructions. But you know what? This thing is extremely easily to use. From the company LKCTB, whatever that means. I guess it's an abbreviation for something. So you've got a large trigger right here. You can see it doesn't go on. To actually use it, you mash this button, pull that down at the same time, and you see the rollers there. And it's got a little light right there in the front that works. To change this blade, all you're going to do is unscrew that, slide the new blade on, and you are good to go. And pretty much, it'll just run any type of fabric or cardboard down through there. Actually, let me go ahead, take it over to a cardboard box. Let me show you opening a box real quick, or the box is open. Let me show you cutting the box. Okay, so this is a thick cardboard box here, everybody. So let me just show you how this works. You're really just gonna get it like that. So, because I get a lot of boxes in, and I hate using like knives or scissors on these boxes. This actually has a little bit of tape on it. That's where, check that out. And when you run it down the grain like this, look how nicely that cuts down through there. Pretty simple on that. Everybody, I think this is a great item for anyone that just needs to get a small little like electric scissor for basically cutting a wide variety of things, whether it's, you know, fabric, paper, or like me, cardboard boxes when I'm doing these unboxings here. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the LKCTB electric scissors. See you on the next video.